Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are safe at your places. A very beautiful and lovely good morning to all of you. Today, again, we'll do science and we'll complete this chapter today, components of food. As we have learned all the nutrients of the chapter, next topic is why do we cook food? See, we can eat food in two types. One, we can eat the raw food, that means kacha, like we are taking cucumber, carrot, radish. We don't need to cook all these things. If we are eating feeling, we can eat raw food like it. And the another way is cooked food. But the most preferable thing is we should eat cooked food. Why? Because it tastes better, it lasts longer, and it kills all the bacteria. And what is the correct way to cook food? Overheating. We should not overeat any of the food as it can destroy 15 to 20% of the vitamins in vegetables. And deep frying is not good for the health. It adds extra calories to food. Understood? Boiling of the food is good, but at high temperature, water soluble vitamins and minerals get lost from the food. So, excess of water while cooking should be avoided while we are cooking the food. I hope the concept is clear. So students, our next topic is undernutrition. What is it? When the body gets less than the required food. See, if we are taking all the nutrients and we are not taking it in a correct ratio, then even if it is balanced, then it is known as undernutrition. That means we are not getting all the nutrients equally. And the next is malnutrition. In malnutrition, there is a shortage of one or more nutrients. That means we are not taking all the nutrients equally. We are taking less nutrients. That means if carbohydrate is missing, sometimes proteins are missing, it leads to a problem in children mostly, which results in a disease known as kwashiorkor. See, this is kwashiorkor. Children suffering from kwashiorkor show stunted growth. उनकी growth रुक जाती है. Large belly you can see in this photograph. Okay. And also the mental retardation, that means a child who is just born is mentally retarded, and the swollen face. And what is protein energy malnutrition? It is a disease caused due to shortage of three nutrients, that is protein, fats and carbohydrates in the diet, which leads to the disease in the children known as marasmus. Children suffering from marasmus are very thin and weak. बहुत पतले होते हैं and they are unable to move. उनकी growth जो होती है body की रुक जाती है and the tissues in the body get destroyed very slowly. See in this pic, you can see a child suffering from kwashiorkor. His face is swollen, belly is very increased. Can you see it? How weak the child is? And the next pic is the child suffering from marasmus. See, he is very thin and weak. कितना पतला है, उसकी सारी bones नजर आ रही हैं. A malnourished child does not need any of the costly medicine. He only needs the required amount of balanced diet, that he should get all the nutrients in a correct amount so that he'll be fine well. And the government has started giving children a midday meal in this school so that they should not face any of the diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. See, this pic is showing the midday meal in the government school. This is only to reduce the diseases among the children. Okay? And the last topic of this chapter is obesity. What is it? Eating energy rich food in much excess quantity. There is also a problem. If we are taking all the nutrients in the excessive quantity, leads to obesity. A person suffering from obesity are prone to heart diseases and high blood pressure. That means I have to explain to you about the cholesterol problem. It comes from obesity only. And obesity is nowadays very common among the children because they are totally dependent on the junk food like pizza, burger, soft drinks. They don't want to eat the very tasty, yummy food cooked by their mothers. They are totally dependent on the junk food. And instead of playing outdoor games, they are watching TV and sitting on a single place for a very long time. I think the concept is clear to you. So we should not prefer junk food. It will increase our weight and leads to obesity. I hope the chapter is clear now. It is finished. Bye bye. Take care. Goodbye everyone. Just go through the chapter again and again. Clear? Bye.